Hi, Rick. What's your experience with Yacht Controller so far?
My experience has been fantastic. It's very easy to learn. Not only that, it's very easy to be able to teach. Customer being a yacht captain for Marine up North Colony Marine and also assistant Maritimo. Find that with this yacht controller, it people want to use it instead of playing with their throttles. So it's a great experience.
Would you say it's been a good experience so far?
It has been a great experience. I mean, dealing with the yacht controller team, dealing with the installations. These are so simple. It's 2-3 hours. They're on and off your boat, and the functionality. I haven't had an issue with one of the systems that have gone on to any of the Maritimos so far, and it's really appreciated being a yacht captain and owner of this vessel.